Video chats are becoming more popular, and they are a great way to keep in touch with people around the world because you can see and hear them. There are two kinds of apps that allow for video chats. The first lets two people or a small group connect and is more often used for personal reasons. Some social media apps like Facebook or WhatsApp let you make or receive video calls. And there are other apps that are made just for video calling, like Skype, FaceTime, and Google Duo. Signing up for an account is free, and you can use your Outlook or Gmail account to use Skype or Google Duo. You just need to call someone else who has the same app. The other kind are video meeting apps like Zoom and Google Meet. These are usually used for connecting more people and are more often used for business. But if you have a big family or a lot of friends, you can use them too. To use these apps, you set up a meeting at a particular time instead of calling people. You may need to download these apps from the App Store or Play Store if you're using a mobile device, but you can usually use them in a browser like Chrome or Safari if you're using a desktop or laptop computer. If someone else set up the meeting, they'll send you a link by email or on a messaging or social network app. Click the link. If you're using a mobile device, the app will open. If you're using a laptop or desktop, it will either open in a browser or ask you to download the app. You can usually choose to open it in the browser even if there is an app, though it may be slower that way. You'll need to give it permission to use your camera and microphone. Remember that desktop computers and some laptops don't have cameras and microphones built in. If the meeting host set up a password, you'll be asked for it now, and then you'll be able to join the meeting. Most apps let you switch between having the person speaking in a big window or everyone in the meeting in little windows. This is usually called the gallery view. Two things that you'll see in any video chat app are the mute/unmute button, which is usually a picture of a microphone, and the start and stop video button. This is typically a picture of a video camera. Select these to turn your microphone and camera on and off. You'll usually want your microphone off when you're not talking so that people won't hear everything going on around you. But remember to turn it on when it's your turn to talk. Most of these apps have a text chat feature as well. That lets you send written messages to other people in the meeting and can be useful if you can't get your microphone to work or have other problems. Most video chat apps are free to use, or at least have a free version. Be careful though, as they do use data, sometimes a lot of it. You can use Wi-Fi to save your wireless data, or you could turn off the camera. Most video chat apps let you call in with a phone, which can also save data. For more information on online basics, check out the other videos in the series. Visit our website at telus.com/wiseonlinebasics.